After 2 years of being academically dismissed from law school in spring 2017 with a 1.29 GPA, I just now got re-accepted back into my same law school for fall 2019, 2 weeks away, gearing up to start the semester again and ready to revenge. As I was looking at all the videos that I have done thus far, I noticed that I had more inspirational videos than application videos, because the application is what's going to get us back into law school. So I want to give you my wisdom, personal experiences, tried and true advice when it comes to the application process. Now, each school is different, so please, whether it's your same law school or you're applying to a different law school, meet with someone on the admissions committee team in person. Whether you have to travel there, whatever it takes, make sure that you sit down with them and get all of the requirements that you need. Because I'm going to lay out 5 key items, but your law school may require some additional documentation or whatever the case may be. So be sure to do that. Like tomorrow, send an email tomorrow and meet with someone. Please do that. All right, let's go into the 5 key items that we need to have down packed for our readmission application process. First one, and I know this may sound small, but it's so necessary. Update your transcripts to LSAC, that Credential Assembly Service, I think it's CAS system. Don't assume, like I did, where I'm applying back to the same law school, and I assume that law school just can pull up my grades from my past 1L year. No. Make sure you do this. Like tomorrow, go to your school's registrars and send your transcript with your law school grades on it to LSAC so that it can be updated. Now, this doesn't matter if you're applying back to the same law school or to a new law school. I assumed this once I submitted my application, but my law school allowed me to go back and do this. It was just incomplete until about 2 weeks. But I don't want you to do this. I want you to do this up front right now. Get that in. Your law school may not make an exception and help you to have some time to get that in. Don't do it. So get that in. Second is the personal statement. I've created a video called Digging Deeper and Update Our Reasons for Law School. And these reasons need to go in the personal statement. Do not use your past personal statement. You're going to learn. You're going to grow. You're going to evolve. Things are going to change in this 2-year waiting period for you. Your purpose, something that you want to practice, it may change. Some things may change. So we don't want to use that past personal statement, but bring in this greater version. Bring this new version of you personally and even on a professional standpoint of what you intend to make an impact in the law sector that you intend to practice in. Very crucial, needs to be compelling. You already know, you got this. All good. Third is the academic discipline section. Now, this is a section that we didn't have to fill out when we first applied to law school. We had to do it this time. So the verbiage, the language in this section, and this may be different for different law schools, is have you ever been dismissed, expelled, suspended from school due to academic reasons, discipline reasons? We have to check yes. And more often than not, they're going to ask for a separate letter for us to attach explaining that reason. And that reason only needs to be 1 page. Don't go overboard with it. Be concise, straight to the point. And if you have any supporting documentation, like I said, we all have unique circumstances. So anything that can help you with that, be sure to attach that. But again, seek your admissions committee to figure out that whole process. Next, we have number 4, the addendum section. Another section that we didn't have to fill out when we first applied to law school. But this section is crucial, explaining our academic performance and the concrete steps that we have taken throughout this 2-year period to show that no longer we're going to have any performance hiccups. We have a plan. We have a strategy. We have a system in place to show that we can thrive and we can sustain an extraordinary performance 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and beyond. So we have to make sure that we hone in on this section. And this is only 1 page as well. I'll make a separate video to give you tips on how to write this section. And lastly is recommendations. This is another crucial section in our application process. So originally, we may have had all personal recommendations, whether from lawyers or people that we know, and maybe some professors, maybe from undergrad or graduate programs. But for my law school, I had to get my past professors' recommendations. So going back to my past professors, no matter what my grade was, and just telling them everything and finding a creative way to establish a relationship with them, I did an independent study and reworked all my 1L courses and checked with them time to time, like 3 to 6 months, and just to show them how I'm going to dominate essentially, and how I was improving beyond measure, and how I was just reframing it and just looking at it from a whole different perspective. But just from my independent study and just interacting with them, I was able to get 2 professors' recommendations, which helped me and supported my addendum section. So professors are going to be crucial in this application process. So let's say that you are in a graduate program right now in your 2-year waiting period. That's okay to use as well if you're getting another degree within this period. But we need the academic recommendations. We need the academic support in backing. Personal recommendations are not going to fly. Again, this is about academics. Can we show that we can meet the rigors of law school? And can we have recommendations from professors to show this and support us in this? That is very crucial. So crucial. So this is just a brief video just to highlight the key items that we need in this reapplication process. Please go to your admissions office and schedule a meeting with them and go over everything that you need. That is crucial. Don't depend on this video. This is just to push you to do this, to go to your admissions committee. But I'm pretty sure the things that I named are universal for law school applications across the board. I may have missed some items in this. Again, admissions committee, admissions committee, admissions committee. Doesn't matter what your situation is, please go and meet them. I can't express this enough. Do not depend on the website, because it's probably not going to be on the website. Don't depend on this video. Don't depend on anything that you see on the internet. Law school has all the answers. Admissions has all the answers. So please do that in person. Get that done. And let's map this thing out. And let's get you back into law school. It's all good. You got this. Love you. See you in future videos. Stay tuned for more. I got the 1L semester rematch vlog coming for fall 2019. Doing a week by week vlog of how I'm doing in law school and the steps I'm going to take to avenge my 1.29 GPA. It's on. Let's go. We got this.